guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about cleansers, which is face washes. So basically I'm going to suggest you a few face washes, 4 face washes, how many times I've said this word, and you're gonna hear it many more times in this video. So basically, what is a face wash? Like, we use a cleanser every day, but why we have to think so much about a cleanser? Because cleansing is the main step in our skincare routine. In any skincare routine, you can't skip cleansing, right? You have to clean your face thoroughly. Keeping our skin and ourselves clean is must in our daily ritual, right? So choosing and selecting a proper and perfect face wash, that is also must. If you select any wrong product, then you're not gonna get a good result, right? You have to select a perfect, correct product. And you also have to check pH level. Now, what is pH level? What is pH? Actually, pH is 5.5 for our skin, okay? So if it goes above 5.5 or lower than that in any product, any skin product, then you're gonna get inflammation, irritation, dry, flaky skin, or maybe more sebum production. It depends like what kind of percentage, like how much pH is there, what is the pH level of the product. So that you have to check. So there are so many things. So according to me, these 4 products are very good, and it has perfect pH level and everything is good. We will talk about it later. So if you want to know like the best face washes in the market currently, then please keep on watching. So the very first face wash I'm going to suggest you, which is from Just Herb, and it is anti-acne foaming face wash. Foaming face wash, the texture is very foamy, and you get ready-made thing, you just have to rub it on your face. I will show you the texture in a bit. And it has this protection cap and also a silicone brush, which you can, easily just pump out the product and then directly clean your face. You get nice mild exfoliating with this silicone brush. I would suggest you, I don't use the brush, I directly take it on my hand and then palm and clean my face. My cats are fighting. If you're hearing anything in the background, I'm very sorry, please excuse me. I always remove this and use it, and if you are using this, then please wipe it, like wash it thoroughly after every use. You don't want to leave any bacteria on it. So let's talk about the product. This product is completely vegan and it is 100 ml for 395 rupees. I'll leave a code on the screen and also in the description box, so you'll get discount. Also the link and everything is in the description box. If you want to purchase the product, please check it out. So this is completely vegan, SLS paraben, nothing is there inside. It is cruelty free and also it has 100% herbal actives, and it has tea tree and mint. So basically tea tree helps to prevent our acne, and if you have acne, so it helps to reduce them and settle them. And after that, mint helps to settle your inflammation, settle your burning sensation because of the acne. So these 2 natural ingredients works best for your acne. So the texture is very foamy, you can see, very foamy. You don't need a lot. It is getting nice, it's giving nice lather. Now, okay, anyway. So the next product I have from Pure Sense Energize Cleansing Gel in a grapefruit variant. So grapefruit has vitamin C, and vitamin C boosts your collagen level. It works on your hyperpigmentation. It's mellow down your hyperpigmentation. After a certain use, you will feel that your hyperpigmentation is getting lesser and lesser. So vitamin C helps in that, and grapefruit has a rich amount of vitamin C. This is also 100 ml product and retails for 350, and it is in a gel form. And if I talk about the packaging, it has a pump packaging, and also they have given a lock, so it is completely travel friendly too. So if you want to buy this product, then please check out my description box. And I really like the packaging, very chic. And also this product has no SLS, no paraben. It is completely safe for your face and your skin. Let's just see the So the texture is very runny. If you see, you can see it's very runny and very jelly. So definitely they had mentioned it's very jelly. So they had mentioned very clearly that this is a gel, cleansing gel. So I like the texture. Also the fragrance is completely of grapefruit, and grapefruit, trust me, it is very good for your skin. So yeah, this was the second product. So the next product I have from Plex. This brand is very much trending brand in all kind of categories. You must have seen all the reels and ads on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere. So it is really a trending and good going brand. All the products are very good from Plex, and it's a plant based brand, so you don't need to worry. All the products are very natural and herbal. So this is Plex Guava Glow Juicy Cleanser with vitamin C and ALA and Pro Vitamin B5. So this instantly brightens up your skin. Like the previous face wash, it has vitamin C. So vitamin C brightens your skin. You get a very rejuvenated, fresh feeling after washing with this face wash. And like I said, it is plant-based brand. So you don't need to worry about the product. It's completely natural and herbal. And it is dermatologically tested. It has pH balanced. Also, it has no sulfates, SLS, no parabens, and no silicones, nothing. So this is a 100 ml product. Also this retails for 400 rupees, and you can see the coupon code on the screen. Also check the description box for the discounts. So if I talk about the texture, it is very jelly, and it is not runny like the previous one. It is definitely jelly, not runny. It has mild fragrance which is really refreshing, and the texture is like a gel. Yeah, completely gel, and it has mild fragrance which is not gonna bother you so much even if you have irritation with the fragrances in the product. So all the products are all skin type and very much nice. So yeah, this was the third one, and let's move on to the last one and my favorite one. So this is the last but not the least, my favorite one. I love this brand Pilgrim. You must have seen many products of Pilgrim on my channel. I use Pilgrim's product in my daily skincare routine. Most of the products are from Pilgrim, and there are many other brands, but Pilgrim is my go-to brand too. And this is a salicylic and glycolic acid face wash. This is completely best for oily and acne prone skin. I have oily and acne prone skin. I definitely add salicylic acid and glycolic acid to in my face washes, in my skincare routine basically. So this face wash has salicylic acid. What salicylic acid does, it helps to reduce your blackheads and whiteheads and acne basically. So it helps to get rid of that, and after that, you like when the acne goes, right, so it leaves a mark. So for that, glycolic acid works. So glycolic acid removes the dark spots and also the blemishes. Also if you have hyperpigmentation, so glycolic acid helps in that. So when you have both combined in one product, so it works the best. You do not need many more products, like multiple products for multiple problems. So you get two products, two ingredients in one product, and that one product fights for like multiple problems. So this is really good. So this is 120 ml product, and it is 345 rupees. Also you can see the discount coupon code on my screen or also in the description box. So this also has nothing, no parabens, no SLS. It is for all skin types. It is fragrance free face wash. If you have problem with the fragrance, even if you don't like mild fragrance, then please go for this. It has no fragrance in it. And this Pilgrim brand has, that Korean methods, the Korean, everything. They brought the theory from the Korea, and Korean products are good. Korean skincare is good, everyone knows. So that's why I really like this product. And also let's just see so it is a very thick foam face wash, and it has no fragrance. You will get the acids like the salicylic acid and the glycolic acid fragrance, or maybe the smell, but it has no added fragrance in it. And I really like the texture. It is very smooth and very thick foam, so you don't need much of a product. So yeah, these were the products, and I hope I have nicely justified and explained you completely about the face washes and the products. Yeah, so this was it. I left all the links in the description box. Also, there are coupon codes. Please check that out if you want the discount, like I had mentioned also on the screens. So yeah, this was it. I'll see you next time in my next video. I hope you have liked the video, and if you have, then please like my video and share it with all your friends and families. This might help them. And let me know in the comment box which was your favorite face wash, or if you have any other suggestion. And yeah guys, I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. अगर अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है आपने तो कर दीजिए. Let's just keep this family growing and let's just be connected. You know guys, I'll see you next time in my next video. Subscribe करना मत भूलना. ठीक है? Bye.